You're watching the AI Report. Important updates today. Let's get into it. Custom instructions in ChatGPT are now available on the free plan as well. Great. People in the UK and the EU still don't get this feature for some reason. What's going on here? Are they being punished for regulating AI too heavily? That must be it. Next, after the Vegas convention on AI white hat hackers, we have another cybersecurity challenge administered by the White House and with cooperation of Google, Microsoft, Anthropic, and OpenAI. This time, instead of some silly Mickey Mouse prize, the winner of the challenge gets $20 million. Nice. That should motivate the top AI hackers to leave their mom's basements. I'm kidding, AI hackers. Please don't replace me with a deepfake robot clone. China orders $5 billion worth of AI chips from Nvidia. Baidu, TikTok, Tencent, and Alibaba each order about $1 billion worth of chips. A risky move by Nvidia here. I think the US ban on exporting AI chips still isn't in effect, but this won't make the US government very happy. I don't know, maybe Nvidia should consider picking a side here. It may be a better long-term strategy. Then, on the other hand, they're the ones running a $1 trillion business. Maybe they know what they're doing. An AI app from Pack and Save, a supermarket in New Zealand, has generated recipes for deadly chlorine gas, poison bread sandwiches, and mosquito-repellent roast potatoes. So, how did they taste? I'm curious to know if someone was so mindless that they proceeded with this recipe and then fed their children with the food, I guess. Pack and Save's app would have been like, oops. Next, an AI system developed by British universities and health organizations detects abnormalities in teeth, cavities, and gum disease. The new program will read X-rays more efficiently and is expected to become a trusted advisor to dentists. Okay, British dentistry, man. I've heard they're one of the best in the world. Great job. And finally, if you're holding your breath for transformative AGI, you may have to hold it quite a bit. A study by Ari, Alan Feuer, and Ted Sanders estimates that the likelihood of a true AGI is less than 1% by 2043. AGI is defined as the artificial intelligence that's capable of performing most of the valuable human tasks, at least at the level of a capable human. I have to say I kinda agree, I guess. At least from a layman's perspective, although 20 years is a long time when it comes to technologies that may take an exponential trajectory. Maybe something like 3 or 5% is a better estimate for the next 20 years, mostly because we don't know what we don't know, and we can't predict what new developments will occur. In any case, we have some pretty good AIs even today, and until AGI arrives, we should play with them, and that's the way it is. That was the AI Report, brought to you entirely by human intelligence, and not a very impressive one, which means I really put in the work. Like and subscribe, do your thing. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.